Okay, I've made this video for to show how the Triton TRA001 router can be mounted in the Triton Series 2000 router stand. That's my stand without the lid on it. The top is just here. So I recently purchased the Triton TRA001. So over here is the insert that sits under the top of the Triton 2000 bench. If we have a look at underneath, I just mounted it using the clamps that came with the table. So the screws don't quite match up. Two of the screws match up on the bottom. If you use the existing slots here. So I've ended up using these as well. And over here I drilled a hole for the winder that comes with the Triton router, which is this part here, which allows you to wind the height from above the table. So of course, as well as drilling a hole in the router mounting plate, I had to drill that hole right through the bench top, right there. So here's the router mounted on the base, or just starting to mount it. And what I mentioned before, on the actual plate, the existing slots, I could get two of the holes here and here to match up, but not any others. So that's why I'll also be using the clamps to clamp the router in place. I'm using 4 of those. And the screws I used here, I found some countersunk ones because they seem to work a lot better than the ones that came with the router itself. So we'll tighten those up, tighten the clamps up and put it in the table. So here's the router mounted on the mounting plate, which I've slid into the table. And just a tip for when you're taking the plate in and out as you're trying to set up the router and the hole for the height winder, is to after you've taken the top off initially, just put a little line down one side, the aluminium channels, so when you put it back in you'll be able to just put the top straight back on without having to mess around with the alignment. So here we have now the top back on the table, the router mounted, and we've got our height winder hole drilled. So we just get the height winder that comes with this unit, drop it down in there, and then that should align up in there and clip on there, whether you can see that there. And that allows us to wind it up and down as we wish. It might be a bit hard to see on the video. If I come in close, you might be able to see the pin pop out as we come up. Here it comes now, there it is. So I've rounded it right up, and the advantage of that is that now it's just a one-handed operation to tighten and loosen our collet to fit or remove our router bits. So there we have it, the Triton TRA001 mounted on an old Triton Series 2000 router and jigsaw stand. Thanks for watching.